Hi, today in this video, I would like to show you how to use Microsoft Form to collecting the data from some people over the form or some quiz. Okay, so now let me guide you more detail. Okay, open the browser and you access into the office.com, and you need to have a Microsoft account in order to get access into the office.com. And in this video, I will assume you already have a Microsoft account. Okay. And in case if you don't know how to do some registration for Microsoft account, you can go to my YouTube channel and go to playlist. You can see in the Microsoft playlist, I have a video to guide you how to do some registration for Microsoft account. Okay. So now let's get started with using the Microsoft form. Okay. So this is the default dashboard of the Office tool. Okay. And on the left hand side, I have the navigation. You scroll down to the bottom left and click on the own application app here. It will display all of the application in the Microsoft 365. Okay. And you take a look into the right hand on the top. We have a form here. And when you hover to the form application here, you can see some of the information. This form will be supporting for career surveys, quiz, and poll, and easily see results in real time. Okay. Let me click on the form, and then it will open the layout of the form. Yeah. You see on the top, we have the new section. In the new section, we are able to create new form, new quiz, or also create some the form of quiz from some templates here. Okay. In case if you want to find more templates, you can click into the more template hyperlink here. Okay. And scroll down to find the best template for yourself. Okay. Cool. So now I will back to the main layout. First is I will click on the new form to guide you how to create a form in Microsoft Office. Okay. And then it will navigate you to a form. You see here, we have a question tab and response tab. Yeah. So after you finish this, after you finish building some the components on this form, and you send a link to other people. And if anyone trying to submit the data over the form, you can see the real-time data in the response tab here. Okay. So now let me try to create some components on this form first, and then I will show you the demonstration. Okay. Firstly, I will edit the form name here. It will be the registration form. Yeah. And this is the description for this form. Okay. And I go ahead to click on add new button. Yeah. So here we have some of the components like the radio button, state, rating, date, ranking, lighter, notebook, motor score, and session. Okay. So here, because I'm going to view the registration form, so I will select the text first. The question will be enter your full name. Okay. And for the enter full name, I will make this component required. Okay. And then a date. Enter the birthday. Okay. Take the email. The phone number. Okay. And the gender. No. For gender, I will select the radio button. Gender. Male, female. Okay. Other. Yeah. And then I will add one more in text. Yeah. Note. And this one, because this one is a note, so the person maybe enter some very long text here, and I will make this one a long answer. Okay. And here, click on this one, and I can change the order of these components by click on the up row. Yeah. Okay. Okay. You see here, it has been changed the order of gender. Cool. And you can do some preview. Okay, like this one. This is the default viewing in computer. And you can also change it to mobile viewing. Yeah. Okay, good. Click on back button to back to the form. And you can click on theme here to select some the background theme for the form. Yeah. To make this one a more attractive. Okay. Let me select this one. This one. Okay. Okay. And then, yes, okay, so you see here, this is the status of the form. It's set. So that means when you do any action on this form, it will automatically shape the data for you. Okay. So now click on send button. And you can see here, we have a link. Anyone with the link can respond. Okay. I click on copy button here to copy the link. Okay. The link is already copied. So now I will open another instance of browser and paste the link here. Okay. And you see here, this is the full form of the registration. Okay. It looks really nice. Cool. And let me try to enter some data here. Chenvu, gender email, birthday. Gmail.com. Note. Thank you for watching this video. Okay. And check it out again. Okay. And then click on submit button here to submit the form. Yeah. It's the form has been submitted successfully. Okay, cool. And let me come back to the form. And you can see here, in the response tab, I see one notification. Yeah. So you see the result here, it is on response. Yeah. Okay. Let me open other one. Copy. Okay. Submit. Okay, close this one. Yeah, and you see here, we have two response. Okay, back to the form. And I have create a registration form for you. And so now I will try to create a quiz here. Yeah, it should be the same with when creating the form. Okay, let me do it quickly. Yeah, and you see here I have create some question. I can also add some theme like what we did for the form before. Copy, paste it, the link here. Okay, one, two, one. Sorry. Okay, thank you. Yeah, and you can see the result here. Okay, it should be the same when we create a new form. Let me back to the form dashboard, and I will try to create some the survey from a template, customer feedback survey. Wow. Okay. A lot of question. Okay. Send it up. Copy the link. Open as an instance of the browser. Rating. Yeah. Thank you. Close this one. And you can see here one response. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Question. Scroll down. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Rating. Okay. Come back to the form. Yeah, so I think that's all for today. And after if you need this video, you know how to use the Microsoft form to create some form, quiz, or some the survey to collect the data from the user. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you. Let me know if you have any question. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.